Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a GIF to Shopify product page. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to the Shopify admin store, or you can also say Shopify dashboard. Okay, so from there you have to tap on this option called online store. From there you have to tap onto themes. So after clicking onto themes, you can find this option called orders. You have to find the option called products. Now, like from themes, you can customize your pages, theme page, and after customizing it, you have to head over to the products section. So tap onto products, and from there, if you want to add GIF, as example, I will gonna add GIF to this bell icon. So I'm gonna tap onto it. Then after tapping onto it, can this option called description. Okay, now you have to head over to the giphy.com, and from there you have to choose GIF, the one GIF you want to add to your Shopify store. For example, I'm gonna go with this one. So I'm gonna tap onto it, and from there you can see this option called embed. You have to tap onto it, and from there you have to copy the code. So after copying the code, you have to head over to the description of Shopify dashboard here, bell icon, and you have to make a space before it. Then you have to click onto this option, link option, like, or you can say bracket type option. Tap onto it. From there you have to tap, and at the center you have to paste the link. As you can see, after this src equal, you can copy this, paste this link, you copied, and that's it. Now your GIF will be added to your Shopify store. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Goodbye.